Did you know that India's MSME sector employs over 11 crore people, but only 5% of the 6.3 crore MSMEs offer insurance or healthcare benefits to their employees? This means that more than 90% of the SME workforce in India is not covered by a group health insurance policy. What's more, at 14%, India has the highest medical inflation in the whole of Asia. This implies that employees have to pay a significantly higher amount out of their own pockets should a medical emergency arise. Hello and welcome to the Insider's Guide, a brand new series by Onsurity where we discuss all things health and wellness. I'm Disha Sangvi, and in this video, we'll talk about what makes a company eligible for a group health insurance plan. We'll also address how you can go about buying the right group health insurance policy for your company. Let's dive in to find out if you're ready to join the progressive 5%. Let's start off by understanding what group health insurance is and how it works. It is an insurance policy that covers the medical expenses of all employees in a company. Typically, the employer pays for the insurance, but the cost is often factored into the employee's overall compensation or CTC. The employer sponsors the premium on behalf of the employees, well, in most cases, and whenever any employee gets hospitalized, they can then use the group health insurance provided by the employer, thereby lowering their out-of-pocket expenses significantly. Many employers also pay for employees' spouse and children, while others give an option to add family members at an added cost. Likewise, parents too can be added by placing a request with the employer. However, the final decision lies with the employer and the insurance provider. The interesting part is that the cost of group health insurance is usually much lower than individual plans because the risk is spread across a higher number of individuals. Simply put, this type of insurance is cheaper and more affordable than individual or retail policies because more people buy into the plan. So what makes a company eligible for group health insurance? To be eligible for a group health insurance plan, a company needs to have a certain number of employees. The exact number varies depending on the insurance provider, but according to the insurance regulator, a minimum of 7 or more employees must be present in the company to be eligible for a group health insurance plan. Having said that, Onsurity's unique model allows companies with 3 or more employees also to avail group health insurance benefits. Regardless of the location or sector, a small grocery store or a huge conglomerate, every company has the option to provide group health insurance to their employees. As long as the team meets the eligibility criteria of the insurance provider, any company can enjoy the benefits of having a strong and healthy team. Buying a group health insurance policy may seem cumbersome and confusing. If you are a decision maker and are looking to buy a group health policy for your company, here are some tips that could help you. The first step is to ascertain the needs of your employees to ensure that the plan you buy is truly beneficial to them. You could float a questionnaire among your employees to achieve this. Once this is done, calculate the amount of coverage by considering factors such as medical inflation, the average age of employees across your organization, work environment, and so on. Having these details in place will make the next steps easier for you. To buy the plan, you could either reach out to insurance companies directly or get in touch with insurance intermediaries. If the number of employees in your company are few, it is recommended that you reach out to an intermediary who will be able to take you through the details in a hassle-free manner. You could also talk to an advisor if you're unsure about the benefits or the pricing. Once you find the perfect match, simply fill out the proposal form and furnish it with the insurer for approval. If you're unsure of your benefits and pricing, compare the plans, talk to advisors. Compare the policy and benefits you are being offered. Once this is done, train your team on how to use their insurance benefits and let them take on the world with the assurance of a trusted insurance partner. Today's employees, however, expect more than a plain Jane insurance plan. They want their employers to give them a host of wellness benefits such as doctor teleconsultations, regular lab tests, fitness perks, among others. As employers, it is important to acknowledge the importance of preventive care than just offering an insurance policy that may only be used at the time of hospitalization. Progressive companies are now offering a wide range of health and wellness benefits to ensure that employees are able to keep a close check on their well-being all around the year. With Onsurity's comprehensive health and wellness plans, you not only get coverage for your team's health insurance needs, but also gain access to a wide range of health and wellness benefits. Log on to onsurity.com today to learn more about how you can provide comprehensive care and support to your team. That's a wrap on this video. We'll be back soon with yet another insightful episode of the Insider's Guide. Until then, stay healthy and happy.